Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss about introduction to C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. Introduction to C++, presented by yours truly, Jake R. Pomperada, MAID IT MIT. C++ programming language. It was created by Bjorn Sostrup at Bell Labs, originally C with classes, renamed as C++ in 1983. Most recent specification of language is ISO IEC 14882-2014, informally known as C++ 14. It is a procedural, loosely speaking, in superset of C. Direct supports object-oriented and generic programming, maintains efficiency of C. Application domains or applications where C++ is being developed is system software, application software, device drivers, embedded software, high-performance server, and client applications. Entertainment software such as video games, native code for Android applications greatly influenced development of C# and Java programming language. Why learn C++? Vendor neutral, international standard, general purpose, powerful yet efficient. Loosely speaking, includes C as superset, so you can learn two languages, C++ in C for price of one. Easy to move from C++ to other languages but often not in other direction. Many other popular languages inspired by C++. Develop hireable skills. Applications of C++: banking and financial, funds transfer, financial modeling, teller machines, classical systems programming, compilers, operating systems, device drivers, network layers, editors, database systems, small business applications, inventory systems, desktop publishing, document viewer, editors, editing, embedded systems, cameras, cell phones, airplanes, medical systems, appliances, entertainment, games, or game engines, GUI or graphical user interface, Windows 10, 11, in the whole version of Windows, the UI and the inner working is written in C and C++. Hardware design verification, scientific and numerical computation, physics, engineering simulation, data analysis, geometry processing, servers, web servers, billing systems, telecommunication system, phones, networking, monitoring, billing, operation systems. So we have here a sample of C++ program. So we have here sharp include IOStream, and then it will display int main hello world. Program prints message hello world in exist. Starting point for execution of C++ is called the main. Every C++ program must define a function main. Include preprocessor directive to include complete contents of file. IOStream or standard header file that define various types and variables related to input-output. Stdout is a standard output string defaults to user's terminal. Operator is used for output. So we have here the sample program, hello world, that is being run in div C++ IDE. So we have here the compiling process, no? Starts with C++ source code file, CPP, HPP, compile, convert source code to object code stored in an object. link combine contents of one or more object files, and possibly some libraries to produce executable program. Executable program can be run directly. So things to remember in C++. C++ is a case-sensitive language. Uppercase and lowercase characters are different characters. Main is not the same as main. Every curly bracket must have a corresponding right curly bracket, or vice versa. You can write both C and C++ program in a C++ compiler. It's possible to combine C codes into a C++ program. You can write your own libraries in C++. So let us discuss about variables in C++. Variables has a name and data type and a type of data it can hold. No? So we have here data type, char letter, variable name, use reference as a location and memory where a value can be stored. Must be defined before it can be used. The value that is stored can be changed. It can vary. So assignment statements in C++ uses the equals operator, has a single variable or left side and the value of the right side. Copies of the value of the right side to the variable on the left. So in this example, we have item equals 12, semicolon. Constants in C++, we have here literal. Data item whose value does not change during program execution is called a constant. So in this example, we have character A, character constant, hello world, string literal. 12, we have integer constant, 3.14, floating point constant. Identifiers in C++. Programmers choose names to represent parts of the program such as variables. Names should indicate the use of the identifier. Cannot use C++ keywords as identifiers. Must begin with alphabetic character or followed by alphabetic numeric or alphabetic characters, may be lower or upper or lower case. So we have here the valid and invalid in C++ identifiers. So total sales, yes. Total underscore sales, yes. Total dot sales, no, cannot be contain a period. For the quarter sales, no, cannot begin with a digit. Total sale dollar, no, cannot be contained with a dollar sign. Defining variables in C++. Variables of the same type can be defined in separate statement. Int length, int width. In the same statement, int length, width. Variables on different types must be defined in separate statements. So we have here some example program using variables in C++. So we have the output here, and then this is the reference that I use in my presentation. So this is the end. Thank you very much, guys, no, for watching this introduction to C++ programming language. So I hope that you have learned something new, no, in this tutorial video. And thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel, guys, by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.